If you struggle with creating smoky eyes that look really natural, then you're going to want to watch this tutorial. My name is Katie. I'm a professional makeup artist. This is my best mate,
Katie.
I have created this. This is one product called Smoky Liner that's dual-ended, and in a minute I'm going to show you just how it creates the most beautiful smoky eye look that you can wear in the day and the evening. Plus, if all that wasn't enough, it gives your eyes a really pretty lift.
It is spectacular.
Let me show you what each end does. So this end here creates a really beautiful smokiness. And I think what so many women get confused about is they think the smoky has to be really, really dark. But actually, this is the perfect taupey shade to give you a very subtle smoky hue. And I've added glimmers of gold that just pick up the light and lift the eye, which is what we all want when we're over the age of 40, isn't it? Then I've created this shade to work perfectly with it, called Dark Chocolate. And when you use the two together, which I'll show you, it creates the most stunning smoky eye really easily and really quickly. You do not have to be a makeup artist to get smoky eyes. You just need this product here. And you'll even notice that this is completely smudge proof. Let's show you how you can make this work for your life, whether it's day, night. We're going to start off with this end first of all. It's like a taupey gold glimmer. And you're simply going to take this and you're just going to take your pinky finger as your stabilizer and you're going to run this backwards and forwards along the top of your lash line. So you want to get this as close to your lash line as possible. How easy is that?
Plus it doesn't drag at all. It's really
It doesn't
creamy.
drag. You can put a little bit on the edge there and just wing up and out if you so wish.
I love a little fake wing.
I do as well. It really just lifts the eye. Can you see it gives this beautiful taupe colour, but it also, as the light hits your eye, it brings the eye to life and lifts because it's got this beautiful gold fleck in it. Now, depending on how much of the gold fleck you want, if you want more gold fleck, you simply dab, and this will put a little bit more of the gold fleck on. You don't have to have a steady hand because the beauty is you apply backwards and forwards, then you take your pinky finger, and whilst it's drying, you can smudge it. Once it's dry, it will stay put for up to 16 hours.
I love the
So
fact
it will
that
last all day.
the fact that it also gives you that little, I don't know if you can see, there's like a little teeny wing that's going on there. And that's all that's done is just, I've just moved it with my finger.
But it's a really soft colour. If you come closer,
Can you
Katie.
see?
Oh, it looks so pretty on you, Katie.
It's
it
lovely,
really
doesn't it?
does. It's really, really soft. And you can choose how thick a line you want to do. We've done little baby wings. You don't have to. Now let's take the dark chocolate shade here and let's add a touch of definition. Remember, this is just our like day look. So now we're going to put a little bit of the dark chocolate just on the outer corner. I'm not taking this right the way over. It's just on the outer corner. Because when we just intensify the outer corner lashes, it makes our lashes look more lifted at the corner, and that's what we want. We want that lovely lift to our eye. If you have crepey skin,
Yeah, that's the word.
You want to apply, and this is with any liner, rather than going in one direction, you almost want to go backwards and forwards so that you're getting in any little crease or crevices. Yeah. Let's do the other side, and you'll see when you do this at home, you will be able to do it so quickly. It's just a little bit of the dark chocolate just on the outer edge. I mean, you might not even want to do that. You might just want to have this glimmering taupey gold shade. You get to choose of how you want to do your eye makeup on any given day.
I love it.
Katie, that looks beautiful.
Thanks.
Let's take it one step further because we want to show you all that you can do. Let's take this gold shade and let's put a little bit on the inner waterline on the lower lash line, because this is just very soft, very pretty, And you're going to see now, we're going to slightly build it up to a smoky look if that's what you'd like on any given day. Again, this smoky line has been designed to give you as much of a smoky eye or as little as a smoky eye as you wish for. But you can see this is now starting to create a really smouldering eye look.
I love it.
Okay, now let's say, okay, we want to make it even more smoky. All you do is you'll take this gold glimmering shade here, and now you're going to put this into your socket. So the best way to do that is look straight on in a mirror, and where your eye starts to hood, you're going to draw over that hood. Then, before it sets, you're going to take your pinky finger and you're just going to go backwards and forwards. And you're going to smudge this into your socket. And you're just blending in little rainbow motions like this.
Just gives you like a fake crease, doesn't it?
It really does. And then with a clean finger, you're just going to neaten up and blend that down into your lid.
It's so easy.
How easy is that? And there you go. Smoky eyes in an instant. How cool is that? This is designed for people with zero skill, zero makeup knowledge. The colour has been designed to work on you, to look soft, to look pretty, to look smouldering. This is all you need in your makeup bag.
Yeah, that's all I need.
To give you a pretty smoky eye. You don't need loads of eyeshadow palettes, you don't need loads of brushes.
Yeah.
You just need this smoky liner and your fingers.
Yeah.
And preferably an eye.
Well, that would
That
help.
helps. Use code 20 to unlock 20% off 3 makeup must-haves today in my store, Beauty and the Boutique.